This video is part of a series that explains how to configure different parameters for the 0 to 10 volt dual-tech sensor demo. In this video, we will demonstrate how to implement and calibrate the sensor's daylight switching feature. If daylight switching is enabled and the space is initially occupied, the sensor will not turn on the lights if there is adequate daylight. The occupant can use the manual buttons at any time to turn lighting on and off or to adjust the light level. To implement daylight switching, if the device is not already in configuration mode, push the OnOff button to turn the lights on, then press and hold the OnOff button for 5 seconds. When the aqua LED starts flashing, release the button. The LED will continue to flash, indicating that configuration mode is active. Next, push the OnOff button 8 times. The LED will flash 8 times and then will turn the color of the current selection. To use daylight switching, press the OnOff button 1 time. The LED should be green. To save the setting, press and hold the OnOff button for 3 seconds until the yellow LED starts to flash. The LED will flash 8 times before returning to configuration mode. Press and hold the OnOff button for 5 seconds to exit configuration mode. Calibrate the sensor for proper operation. This should be done when there is little natural light in the space. Ideally, calibrate the sensor in the evening by using blinds to block daylight contribution. Make sure that the sensor has an unobstructed view of the space. First, turn the lighting on and raise it to its highest level. Enter configuration mode. And then push the OnOff button 13 times. The LED will flash 13 times to confirm. Push the OnOff button 1 time to begin the calibration. The sensor LED will temporarily flash green. While the LED is flashing, move away from the sensor's view to avoid disturbing the calibration reading. Once the LED stops flashing, the sensor will begin a 30-second capture of the ambient light level and then enter a 5-minute testing period. After 30 seconds, test the sensor. First, shine a flashlight on the sensor. The lighting should turn off. Next, cover the sensor. The lighting should turn on. To save the calibrated setting, press and hold the OnOff button for 3 seconds until the yellow LED starts to flash. The LED will flash 13 times and then return to configuration mode. Manually exit configuration mode by pressing and holding the OnOff button for 5 seconds.